Hey guys, let's talk about this wall decor or decorative lighting. It has no wires, so there's a battery inside here with 10,000 milliamp hours, which is enough for 25 to 70 hours working. And here there's a button. When I press this button and hold, for example, it's going to turn it off. Or when I press and hold again, it's going to turn on, okay? Let me just show you more details here. The button I'm talking about is this one. So you just can control from here, or you can use the remote control, right? Let me just press again, so you see I press once, it starts changing here. You see that's changing the intensity. And when I press like twice, it changes the color. So there are different colors. So it works pretty well. It's pretty good. There are 3 color temperatures. So basically the difference with color temperatures, and also 7 RGB colors. You can see here, but by the control. So you can also use the remote control to control the light. You see here, you have RGB and you have the intensity. So you can start controlling the lights from here. So it's pretty easy to use. You can just mount onto your wall horizontally or vertically, because just change the position. It rotates here. So you have it there, for example, you just need to rotate to a vertical position like this, or you go to the horizontal position, right? And I'll just put it there onto your wall, like I just have mine here in my living room, and it's pretty nice. Okay, it comes with a cable, so you can charge the battery that's inside, the 10,000 milliamp hours battery, and also these accessories for mounting. Okay, you have anchors and screws, and this one. It's pretty easy to mount. You just need to put the anchors onto a wall and also the screws, and put this in place, and then you just slide it here and you're good to go. So it's pretty easy to use. Let me just show more details here with the colors. I'm going to turn off the lights here so you see it better. Just turn off the lights here. There we go. And you see it now in the dark. It's changing color by itself. That's the way you can use it, or you can just have fixed colors. So let me just double tap here, see? Different ways to working, so it's flashing quickly now. Again, double tap. See here, that's a fixed color. Double tap again, it's changing to different colors. It works pretty fine. Of course, you can use the remote control as well. Okay, and select the color that you want. And here, and also there's the intensity. Let me just put it here a different way. There we go. And the intensity, I touch once, see that's changing the intensity, right? There we go. And pretty easy to operate, okay? So pretty good and pretty easy to use. Let me just turn the light back on here. See it? There we go. So that's the wall decor or decorative lighting. You can get yours on Amazon. I like this one and I highly recommend it.